been a long time since you guys have seen the R33. So I kind of left everyone in a little bit limbo. If you guys follow and subscribe to the channel, you'll see that last year, actually, we were working on this thing, getting it tuned, getting a Haltech installed, kind of bring this car back to you guys, show you kind of what's going on. A lot of things happen off camera because we can't just always film and align everything. So with this car, we recently installed the fuel rail, fuel pressure regulator, pressure gauge, oil pressure gauge, all the sensors that the Haltech actually needs to function, read properly, and for Andrew to do his tune properly. So all the same things were actually happening with Tony's car. We installed my old HKS Super Turbo muffler off camera. We installed the fuel pressure regulator. We did the wiring harness for the sensors, all that stuff, plus fuel pumps, dual hanger, radium. So we did the intercooler, the blow off valve. We just didn't catch everything on camera. We're gonna get back to the shop and we're gonna get finishing up with Tony's car so you guys can see the unveil. We're gonna put a hood on. We're gonna be putting a bunch of other carbon accessories. If you watched the last video in this series, we did all his Mines interior stuff. Lots of things happened to that car to kind of get it to its final stage. Part of that car is also tuning. I mentioned fuel rail, fuel pressure gauge, not gauge, fuel pressure sensor, so that we can actually see what's going on in the oil pressure, and just making sure that the final build, all the stuff that he's commissioned us to do to get to that car is perfect. And so if you guys don't know, follow his channel. I'll put the link like below here. It's I Spy Aiden. He's on YouTube and Instagram. It's his son and Tony's car together. So we're gonna take some pictures of this R33. We did a quick car wash and just to get the dust off it. And we're gonna get back to the 34 in just a second. So right now, guys, as you saw, like the car's barely making any boost. When we did the first initial like logging and stuff, we're just dialing in the air fuel ratios and all that stuff to make sure everything's safe. Then we can load this thing up with some boost. This car actually has rebuilt turbos with steel internals. So I should be able to push this up to like 25 pounds of boost and make some good serious power with this now. Plus, we had an ethanol content reader, which I have made a kit and bracket for all these cars. Installed it in 3 cars now, and it works with the Haltech sensor. So it's something I kind of did and made and kind of went out and found a different sensor that one of my other suppliers was using already. So I'm trying to bring that to you guys for all these cars. But let's get working on Tony's car. Let's go see where we're at. I think Tommy's waiting for me to put the hood on and do the assist with that, and then we'll go from there. I got it. I got the weight. So today, guys, we're swapping out Tony's hood. Got a Vspec 2 style hood that we're gonna be putting on, and we're just gonna get this off real quick. I already disconnected the water. The hood is literally balancing on my shoulder, dude. You got it. I knew it was like a spot and I couldn't see it. Just watch that corner for me. So this hood is, the top is the same. It's like a 2-piece push together design. The Nismo one's like actually 3 pieces. Pretty nice stuff. Okay, protect the corner. If you feel it's good, we can hit it with this. We're just checking this for fitment. First time actually looking at this hood. We're looking at Tommy's checking his space versus mine before we latch it down. So it needs to, like the front needs to go that way a little. Okay, so we just loosen it and then we adjust. And we're not even tight yet anyways, so I wonder if he's actually gonna paint this or not. So now you guys probably saw the video before when I put this on my car. This is the garage defend cooling panel. So we're gonna be installing this. So we just did a test fitment on this titanium hood prop that he had. Tony ordered all this stuff himself. We're just here to help. So we're gonna take this off, which is part of the factory intake box, radiator brackets. Surprised he actually doesn't have new radiator brackets for us to put on. So we'll take these off and then we'll slide this bad boy off. So this like supposed to go like down below. Today I'm just gonna give you a quick wrap up on Tony's car. We put a lot together, a lot of it off camera. We've been pretty busy here. We're doing a lot of turbo installs on the 8.6s over on the business side of things. We installed the carbon fiber hood as well as the garage defend cooling plate, titanium strut bar. We did all the radium stuff on this car, including a dual pump, dual hanger setup with AEM E85 compatible pumps. So we also have all inside here, we have all the Haltech sensors. We have oil pressure, fuel pressure, boost pressure, and then then you can see all the extra radium stuff back here. All this was done to support the Haltech ECU that was installed. You can see the nice rail and everything here. As far as cosmetics go, you see this, you know, did all that. That looks good. The hood is super cool. I love the underside of it. So we did the carbon fiber mirrors that kind of just ties the inside together. If you guys check out one of the previous videos, we did a whole Mines interior. We added the little Nismo carbon fiber pieces here. He did the carbon extension wing risers, which is a must for any GTR R34 owner for visibility out the rearview mirror. And we added the HKS Super Turbo muffler. I'm gonna give you guys like an exhaust compare video like later. And then we added a carbon rear diffuser underneath to kind of just pull everything together. He has the Nismo style rear spats as well as the side skirts. So since this car came in from import, it's kind of pretty bare, and he went through and just customized it, made it his car. I think he's calling this like his final form. He's really happy with the way it looks, and I think it looks great. It's the way that all R34s should look, and it drives really good. So stay tuned, because we're gonna be doing some tuning to it to dial it in on a dyno. And with this exhaust, it's got the Super Turbo, as I mentioned, plus all the plus all the Tomei all the way up front. So it's a straight pipe design through with the giant muffler. So it's not like overbearing anything. It still has a very respectable note to it. You can drive around with your family, car mates, not wake up the neighbors and stuff. So I'm really a big fan of this exhaust. So, all right guys, well, stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks a lot.
Uh-huh.